the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away.
First, we're going to start off by using some of this Tastes Great on Everything Louisiana Cajun seasoning. Then I have some healthy chef coconut oil. This is the non-stick cooking spray. And then just a little bit of cup of flour. You can use whatever flour you like on your chicken. I just decided to use just plain old white flour. And then grab you some Tums if you don't want to touch the chicken. So what you want to do to make that chicken not stick in your air fryer is go ahead and add you some of the coconut oil spray. Definitely use whatever kind of cooking spray you have on deck, and just use a little bit of it. I would use just like a regular teaspoon of it, and if it's a spray oil, then just spray whatever amount you like. So definitely I'm going to go ahead and mix it all up. And then add that good old Cajun Louisiana seasoning. You want to make sure every piece get evenly coated with the seasoning. If you feel like you need to put more seasoning, put more seasoning. Remember, this is your chicken. You're cooking this for everybody. So, yeah. Go ahead and put some of that flour on there. I'm definitely going to need a little bit more because we want to coat every piece of chicken so every piece of chicken can have a crunch to it. So as you can tell, I'm just steady putting on there because I'm just not getting enough coverage on my chicken. And like I said, I don't want it to stick in the air fryer. So if you're liking this video today, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Most definitely subscribe to our channel if you're new. This will help us out a whole lot on our channel. Thank you guys so much. We love you as always. Y'all, I just can't get this. I can't get that flour and chicken together. So this is my air fryer, you guys. And I'm just showing you guys the setting to my air fryer. And I just love it because you can instantly pick what you need for as chicken, bacon, seafood, all that other stuff. And then you also can, put the temperature on whatever you normally cook your chicken on in the oven as far as baking. So I definitely want to go ahead and warm my air fryer up so it can be nice and toasty for the chicken once it goes in. And I just put it on 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and add this basil leaves seasoning on there. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. Just want to kind of evenly coat those chicken drumettes. Like I was going to get somewhere with that. Like I feel like a chef in the kitchen for real. Oh my goodness. So now I'm going to add these drumettes into my air fryer. And you definitely want to leave space between them and not overcrowd anything in there. This is the the XL air fryer, so I can kind of stuff it, but I'm not going to stuff it because I do have the chicken wings, and they have they had just been washed, and I seasoned them, I floured them, so they got that sticky consistency on them, so I don't definitely want them to stick together. You guys, I advise you guys to get one of these because they are so great. Like, I feel this is the quickest thing ever that has been invented as far as cooking wise, machinery. This is like every mom's dream. I'm hoping that it's every mom's dream because put it in your air fryer, go look at TV, do what you gotta do, and you're done. Of course, I'm the paranoid one, so I probably just stood there the whole time. So, as I showed you, just space out your chicken. You won't have a problem. So I'm going to show you the setting where I'm setting my chicken to. And I'm just going to put it on chicken leg. And then it has its own setting for 20 minutes. And then it is 400 degrees. I think I went in and definitely did what I knew because I didn't want to burn it. I was so afraid to burn it. So I went to 220. And then once I got used to it, I think I went up on the time. But definitely don't be afraid to use your air fryer.
Tips and tricks on how to use your air fryer. I'm using the brand Zeny, Zeny. And like I said in one of my previous vlogs about my air fryer, I got it from Amazon, and you guys, the first time I tried the air fryer, it did not work for me, and I was definitely really ticked because I was just like, why is it not working? So I went on to YouTube and I found a video, and this guy was like going step by step on how to use your air fryer, and it worked really good for me. I will link a description in the description box of where I found the instructions on how to get this thing up and running. And so I do want to give you some advice on how to cook. As you guys saw, that I put a little bit of oil on the chicken so it won't stick into the pots. I misunderstood the conception of an air fryer. Like, I thought that you just throw the chicken in and you don't need oil in it, but you really do need oil. But it's really better for you to do it this way than to fry it in so much oil anyways. So I'd rather just do it the air fryer way than do it on the stove, and it's really quick. My thing is that I'm a very paranoid person, so to keep it in here for 20 whole minutes without checking it, I feel like it's gonna burn or something. So I constantly check it every 5 minutes just to make sure that it is cooking properly, and because it is chicken. And then, so since I'm cooking chicken in here, it has its different kinds of menu and settings, as you saw earlier when I was picking the setting for the chicken. So it has its own thing for that. And but if you don't want to go by that and you want to use your own, time and how many minutes you wanted to put it, if you're a pro at it, definitely do what you gotta do because you're a pro at it. But if you're a beginner like me, because I don't know anything about it, and I just learned from the guy on YouTube, and then I learned from reading the instructions. So with drumsticks that I'm making today, you would definitely need to put them on either 100 to 500. So if you normally bake your chicken wings or drumettes or whatever you bake in a normal oven, that's what temp you put it on here. Like, I normally bake mine at like 350, but today, since I'm really using this for like the first time, I put it on 220 because I definitely don't want it to burn. But next time I probably will pick it up a notch. And for the time, it'll take like 18 to 22 minutes. And then you would definitely put it on 360 so that it can cook properly. I'm just cooking it really slow because I definitely don't want anything to get stuck in there, because a sister like me, a single mama like me, a lady never scrubs. Okay, it's just I don't want to scrub anything. I just want to get it done and wash it out and put it back and let it be. All that scrubbing and stuff, that ain't me.
Okay, now it is time to officially check our chicken, you guys. Oh my gosh, these chickens are they're getting done. They're not all the way done, but trust me, they're getting done. They're cooking properly. They're cooking the way that I expected them to cook. It's getting done really quicker, and I'm ditching. I'm seriously ditching the stove top. I'm ditching fried chicken on top of the stove because that takes too much time. And yeah, the air fryers have shown up the stove. Okay, the air fryers is number one on my list. Okay, so I just wanted to let you guys see that they were cooking properly. So we're gonna do a second check, and I definitely want you to see this. Wait for it. Brown chicken. Brown chicken already. That same piece of chicken I showed you earlier. They're brown now. But we still need to let it cook just a little bit more. And I'm definitely going to show you what it looks like afterwards. So you definitely want to go ahead and turn over each piece of chicken because you want them to properly get cooked evenly, okay? Don't just turn one. Don't just turn two. Girl, you better turn all them chicken. So I'm just going in and cleaning the kitchen up because we did wash our chicken inside of the sink. Well, in the bowl anyways, but you just never know when chicken water splatter, it goes all over everything and that's unsanitary and that will cause salmonella. So this is the finished product. Whoa, get you one. Get yourself one of those air fryers, okay? Have a bite. Go on and bite you some of that chicken off. That Louisiana seasoned chicken. Girl. Everybody just get them a bite. Get your plate. Pull yourself up to the table. You invited. Go on and get yourself some. So thank you for watching our vlog, you guys. We love you so much. And definitely, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.